Generally speaking, people are somewhat wary of auto repair shops, and it's not too difficult to figure out why. Getting your car fixed can be inconvenient, expensive, and nerve-wracking. And most people don't have the expertise to know whether they're getting their money's worth. So it was not a happy moment for architect Jeff Green when he discovered his Jeep wouldn't start. He's had his share of auto repair horror stories.
My last one was awful. A car company had my car for 3.5 weeks, and I drove off and I can't get it in third gear.
Do it again.
It's a service that helps people find reputable repair shops that are also conveniently located. And it's free to consumers because the businesses pay a fee to be included. Although Split says he won't hesitate to drop any repair shop that doesn't live up to his high standards. When Jeff Green called the number and explained his problem, he was eventually connected to Tony Montalbano.
You know, people refer to their mechanic like they refer to their doctor. They want to have confidence in them, and that's certainly a major consideration. That's where 4CarCare tries to give that amount of credibility.
We're the most stringent way of checking out a repair shop in the whole country.
Back in Montalbano's shop, a mechanic is trying to sniff out the problem with Jeff Green's Jeep.
More than likely, the plugs are all fouled out because of him trying to crank it.
After a few twists of the ratchet wrench, the Jeep is running again. Final cost, $227.08.
All right, nice to meet you.
And there you have it, believe it or not, an auto repair story with a happy ending.
I'm very, very happy with the experience this time. Yeah, not saying I'm ready for another car breakdown experience, but I'm very happy with this one.
For City Under Siege, I'm Ned Hibbard.